The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) has warned of intense agitations if the 5 persons arrested by police on the 16th of this month are not released by the government unconditionally. Addressing media at UCM's office at Lamphel yesterday, convener of the committee Jitendra Ningomba demanded release of village volunteers who have been protecting the integrity of Manipur from Chinkuki narco terrorists who have been attacking women and children alike when the government failed to do so. This will lead to more bloodshed and disturb peace and normalcy in the state. Jitendra Ningomba therefore appealed to the government to release these 5 persons at the earliest.
Chinkuki narco terrorists singna misam miyam amadi nupi angang khaktana ngoi kapselakpa aduga asok ana uhelakpa aduga misi mina kya thorak I bamayam singsi government ki makai digi madubu ngakthokpa ngamdre haina kuina logjei aduna maduna ngamdabuna maram oidana manamnam si lebiriba ifuru iricha singbu kanbang pamba mayu kaya am thoraktuna aikhogi mayum thadoktana awa ana kaya khangdana dan phomda changaga himalaiba iramdam sibu kanana gidamakta an thengneriba adugumba khungakpa kaya singsida anu step oina hujiksi phaba punba kihen kanganbagi tong thokdok mayam satharakpasi government athubu matamda lekkodabani haibasi COCOMI gi makai digi thamjage maramdi masina lamdam sida tangdu leitaba purakpadi lairedana makhal kya gi tongan ba issue mayam saglaktana masi amukena tangdu leitadaba lamdam amu oirkani maduga loina na ikoi thengnediba lan pham asigi lan mai pakpadi lairedana ikoi masel gi marakta imuna mutarak pot amu oirakpa ya haina akiba phawba potu COCOMI gi makai de thamjari.